Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might not be on everyone's radar, but it's crucial for anyone using an air compressor. We're talking about the importance of changing your oil. Just like a car engine, an air compressor requires regular oil changes to keep it running smoothly. Skipping this maintenance step can lead to a range of problems, from reduced efficiency to complete engine failure. Let's start by understanding why oil is necessary for your air compressor. The oil isn't just there to lubricate moving parts, it also helps cool the compressor, reducing wear and tear over time. Now, let's discuss how often you should change the oil. While it varies by model, a general rule is to change the oil every 3,000 operating hours. Always refer to your manufacturer's guidelines to be sure. If you frequently use your compressor, you might need to change the oil more frequently. Neglecting this detail can lead to sludge buildup, which can hinder performance. Next, we'll cover how to change the oil properly. First, make sure your air compressor is off and entirely cooled down. Remove the oil cap and drain the old oil completely. Then replace it with the recommended type and amount of new oil. Always use the oil type recommended by the manufacturer to avoid damage. In conclusion, regular oil changes extend the life of your air compressor, ensuring it runs efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips, and as always, if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.